Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, my name is Amy. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I have a handbag review for you guys, and it is from the brand Stacey. As promised, I was gonna do a more thorough review because a lot of you guys were really excited to see me feature the black one in my July birthday haul. So I have this beautiful hobo full leather bag. This one is called the Joseph Shopper Large. So it is the large size. It also comes in a smaller size. And the second bag that I have to feature, which is this one. So this is their PVC handbag, which is part of their new collection. It says Joseph and Stacey here, their branding. Let me review this one first, since this one is the new one, and also there's a lot more detail to go through with the leather bag. So I'm just gonna go through the details of this one first and then move on to the next one. So the reason why I was super attracted to this bag, it's because of the PVC trend, first of all, and also the fact that this is such a great summer casual bag. You can take it to the beach, you can I guess you can wear it anywhere really, but I love that it has this super nice casual vibe. It has the clear PVC, which is all the rage right now, and the handles are super cute on this one. It has this nice round handle that is also large enough to put it on the crook of your arm. It's a really nice size, so it's not so tiny that you can't fit anything. I really like that it's simple, minimal, and at the same time really functional, because it also comes with this beautiful pouch inside. So if you just used the PVC bag alone, it will look like this, and I think that's super cute as well, especially if you put all your brand name SLGs. Here's the tag here that came with it. It is a Korean brand. I will talk a little bit more about this brand in more details, but I did want to show you the bag first. So as you can see, even just the bag alone, the PVC bag alone, is super cute. But if there are things that you want to hide and that you don't want to show through, you can also use the pouch that it comes with. Faux leather feel. It's fully lined on the inside with a gray lining. Here's the branding again. And it's very well made, even for a PVC bag insert. And the zippers are very smooth and really beautiful. I love the chunky detail. I also love the size of this pouch. You can also use this pouch alone for traveling. This would be great for toiletries or just for inside another tote. The PVC on this is very thick and really beautiful and flexible at the same time. I think that it will be really durable. I'm looking at the seams right now, and it looks really well made. No unsightly glue or whatsoever. I think it's, you know, their attention to detail is really good, even for such an affordable option. Like I mentioned before, they are a Korean brand, but I believe they have 3 language selections. So if you go to the corner of the website, you can select Korean, English, or Chinese, so that you can see more details on pricing and also description of their bags. And also the pricing will be reflected based on the language that you choose. First of all, can I just mention the leather is just so supple, so beautifully made. In the luxe community, anytime we make reviews of handbags, we talk about stitching, we talk about finishing, we talk about maybe the glazing and just the leather finish and everything. So when I look at this beautiful, more affordable leather option here, all I can say is it screams luxury, because nowhere even in the entire handbag can I see anything to criticize about. It's just super well made. The strap is very comfortable. I love the strap option on this bag. So I did choose the larger version, which is the taller tote. There's also a shorter tote with a larger longer strap that you can crossbody. But with this bag, you can also choose the option to have an extension strap, which I just received as well. So this is an extension strap, which I'm so excited to use, because it basically turns your beautiful hobo into a crossbody bag, and it gives you that different, more casual vibe, whereas as a hobo it can still kind of look dressy. With an extra strap, it's great for traveling because you can crossbody it and it looks super cool at the same time. So I love the design of this bag. Is super functional but super cool at the same time. This little extension here, all I do is attach it on to there. So there you have it. I've just attached the extension strap. So as you can see, this is the extension and this was the original strap that was attached to the bag. And now I effectively have a crossbody hobo. So this extension strap is available for purchase separately as well, but you can also purchase this combination to begin with. So it really depends on your preference. If you're not sure that you want the whole extension shebang, then you can just purchase the regular shopper large, but you can also purchase the whole thing, which I'll link down below. If you just want to test it out first and then see if you want the extension strap, the extension strap is available for $80 US, so that's a great option if you decide to change your mind later. Like I mentioned before, this bag also comes with more attachments. So it comes with this detachable pouch. It's a flat pouch, and it I guess this one is probably not leather. It has it's this plasticky material that has this reflective color, and it's just a flat pouch. But again, these pouches I love because they serve such great purposes. You can use them for a lot of different things. You can use it in other bags, and this little pouch you would have seen me talk about in my July favorites. I love using this pouch in my other bags because it's so thin and it fits credit cards, money, and coins, and it stays super flat, so it goes in and out of different smaller bags really easily. And I love the zipper detail. This one is just lined with fabric and this one is just made with felt. Some details of the zipper pulls. I think it's awesome that they include an additional attachment to the bag, because sometimes hobos and totes, they're just basically a black haul. So sometimes when you want to find something quickly, these pouches come in very handy. Just one compartment, but it does have a closure here with snap button. Down inside, it's fully lined in a microfiber lining. I love these turn lock details. They're very simple but super functional. A stunning little hobo. This is the front, the back, the bottom. On this side, the leather piece kind of starts from the bottom and continues all the way, making the strap. And the strap kind of ends here, where you can, like I said, just leave it as is, or you can add the attachment. This is the other side of the bag, and I love their little logo. The little scissor logo is very minimal, but the little pop of gold against the black is super cute. Very lightweight given that it's fully lined, and really it's not that heavy, to be very honest. And I have the attachment down inside as well, so that's including the attachment. This strap is very comfortable, you guys. Even though it is thicker, it doesn't slide off because of the style of this hobo. It stays really close to the body, and with your content inside, it does weigh it down, so it will stay put. And obviously if you use the attachment making it a crossbody, then obviously it for sure will not fall down because they'll just stay on your crossbody. Even this little leather piece with the clip is detachable, so you can even use this alone on a keychain and whatnot. So you have so many options with this bag, with all the accessories that come with it. Here's another look at all the details of this bag. I am super impressed with this company. I love that they make such stylish and smartly designed handbags. I think every detail and every feature that they put in each of their bag has its own purpose, and it's super well thought out. I love that their handmade designs combine vintage and modern style. They also use really high quality leather, the same leather that Prada, Coach, and Kate Spade uses. They're gaining more and more exposure and becoming more and more popular, and a lot of Korean celebrities love carrying their brand as well. That's pretty much my review of this brand, and as well well as these two particular handbags. Obviously, these are not the only two styles that they have on their website. They have a full range of mini bags, crossbody bags, smaller bags. They have wallets, they have card cases. They just have so many different designs that are equally functional and super cute. So I'll leave all the links down below of these two products, but as well as their website, so that you guys can check out what they have. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope that you guys found it helpful, especially those of you who were really wanted to know more details about the brand and the bags themselves. So thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new here, I would love to have you back, so please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.